Test yourself 21, question 1. What we're asked to do is we're going to do part 3 on this. Now part 3 says 10x squared multiplied by 14y squared. What you need to do there is you need to multiply 10 by 14. You get 140. 140x squared y squared. Divided by 7 times 5, 35. 35xy. Now what happens is y squared means x squared y squared means xxyy, and that's been divided by xy, which means one of the x's cancels and one of the y's cancel, so you're left with xy on top. Now what's 140 divided by 35? Anybody? 4 times. The answer is 4xy. Okay. Does anybody need me to do B part, 1 part C, that is? 1C? Anybody need me to do 1B? Part 2? 1B part 2? Okay, 1B part 2 quickly does this, and what we're going to do is set up our long division sign. We're going to have x cubed plus 5x squared minus 2x minus 24. What's going to happen here is we're going to divide that by x plus 3. X into x cubed goes x squared times. Multiply x squared down. We're going to get x cubed plus 3x squared. Then we're going to take them away. When we take them away, we get 2x squared minus 2x. And then what we're going to get is plus 2x. 2x gets multiplied as well into 2x squared plus 6x. Take that away. What happens when you take it away, guys?
4x squared.
Minus 2x minus 6x is minus 8x. You're probably forgetting to change the signs. That's probably what's happening to you. 8 minus 8x minus 24. How many times does that go in? X goes into that? Minus 8 times. Multiply it up. We get minus 8x minus 24. Once again, remember to change the signs. Plus and plus. Your answer is no remainder. This makes your answer x squared plus 2x minus 8. How many people got that? Okay, good. Okay guys, another one. Question 2. Which one's on question 2 do you want?
C.
2C. Okay, let's find 2C. 2C. The given figure consists of a square and a rectangle. Express the perimeter of the figure as P. Find P in terms of X, Y and Z. Okay, here to here is X, isn't it? Well, I'll make this a bit bigger. Okay, obviously we're not seeing this as well as we should. Okay guys, and let's direct this here. Now, we can all see it now, okay? Now, from here to here is what? X, isn't it? Yeah? From here to here?
Y.
Y. From here to here? X as well. Remember, I've distorted the graph so it should look a lot similar. And from here to here? Okay, let's start at the start. Okay. Once again, Farrell goes on her walk. Okay. Now. Okay. So what happens is it's going to be. He's going to walk around the building this way. He's going to go down X. He's here. He goes another Y, distance Y, another distance X, another distance Z, another distance Y, another distance Z, another distance X, and then he goes another distance X. How many X's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4X. How many Y's do we have? 2Y. And how many Z's do we have? 2Z. Now, we want to find out what P is, okay? Or sorry, express P in terms of X, Y and Z. Done. How many people got that? Okay, next part is tricky. if x equals 2y, y equals 2z, p equals 55. Okay. Now what we can do is, see 2z. 2z is y, isn't it? So now we can say it's 4x plus 3y, because we know 2z is y. Now what we got to do next is change x into y. So what's 4x? If x is 2y, what's 4x? Can anybody tell me? Sorry? 8y. Now what we know is that 55 equals 8y plus 3y. 55 equals 11y. Y equals 5. But we know x is 2 times y. So what does that make x? 10. If y is 5, x is 10. Okay. Next question is number 3, is it? That next one I gotta do? Number 3. Okay, which part of number 3? 3b?
3C.
3c, thank you. Okay. X plus 1 over 4 minus x over 3 equals 1 over 12. There's 2 ways of doing this. The first way would be to do 3 lines, or the second way is to make sure they all have the same denominator. What's the lowest common multiple between 3, 4 and 12? 12, because if you count up, the number that hits first in all 3 sections is 12. How do you turn 4 into 12? How do you turn 4 into 12? Therefore you must multiply the top by. And how do you turn 3 into 12? By 4, by 4. Does this one need anything done to it? No. Let's multiply it out. And we get 3x plus 3 minus, what is it? 4x all over 12 equals 1 over 12. Now what happens to the 12s on both sides? 12s on both sides will cancel. 3x minus 4x minus 1x plus 3 equals 1. Bring over the 3. What happens to the 3 when it goes over? So minus 1x equals minus 2. X therefore is 2. Multiply both sides by minus, okay? Alright guys.